Hi, today I'm going to show you how to deposit money onto Metatrader 5. So Metatrader 5 and Metatrader 4, it have the same steps. So you can follow these steps even though it says Metatrader 4 here. First off, you'll need to log in to your client portal dashboard. You can click on the link here to go to the Metatrader things. And then you'll have to go to the menu and then left and click deposit funds, right? And then add money to your MT4 account during the deposit cashier and then choose your payment method. And then go to manage funds onto your MetaTrader 4. I'm going to go more in depth here. So once you've registered for an account, you'll need to log in to your secure client portal. If you haven't already, you will need to download the Meta4 trading platform, either to your desktop or mobile device, doesn't matter. And then you'll need to start funding your account. You can click on the deposit funds there. And then you'll need to add money onto your account from the deposit cashier. You can start trading with DO markets from as little as $50, right? And then you can choose your payment methods. There's a couple of one that's supported, like wire transfer, Skrill, Neteller, Paytrust, credit card, crypto, FX, Gigadat, DivePay, a lot. And then you can transfer money to MT4 by clicking on Manage Funds.